Planning a trip to Athens and not sure what to pack? Let's dive right into the essentials. The key to a successful Athenian adventure lies in thoughtful packing, perfectly aligning with the city's Mediterranean climate, its treasure trove of historical sites, and the vibrant city life. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin as you explore the ancient ruins of the Acropolis, the cool breeze of the evening as you stroll through the lively Plaka neighborhood, and the city's rhythm pulsating through the bustling markets. Now, think about what you'd need to comfortably navigate these experiences. From the right attire that takes you from day to night, to sturdy footwear that ensures a safe climb on the uneven pathways of the ancient ruins, to essential travel documents, health and safety items, and urban navigation gadgets, we'll cover it all. So, ready to start packing? Here are some top tips to keep in mind. First things first, pack for the Mediterranean climate. Athens, a city steeped in history and bathed in sunshine, is characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. This Mediterranean climate calls for a thoughtful selection of attire to ensure comfort and protection as you navigate the city's ancient pathways and modern metropolis. During the summer months, from June to August, temperatures can soar into the mid-30s Celsius. It's a time when the city slows down and life moves at a languid pace. For this season, lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen are your best friends. Think loose-fitting shirts, flowy dresses, and comfortable shorts. And for those beach visits, don't forget your swimwear to enjoy the azure waters of the Aegean Sea. As the sun sets, the city cools down, and the night air can be surprisingly brisk. A light jacket or a wrap can keep you warm during those cooler evenings. These are perfect for when you're enjoying a late-night dinner at a rooftop restaurant or taking a moonlit stroll around the Acropolis. Now let's not forget about the ever-present Mediterranean sun. It's not just about the warmth. It's also about the intensity of the sunlight. Sun protection is a must no matter what time of year you visit. Wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses with UV protection, and a high-factor sunscreen should secure a spot in your suitcase. These items will help protect your skin from harmful rays while you're out exploring the city or lounging on a sun-kissed beach. But what about the winter months, you ask? Well, winters in Athens are quite mild with temperatures rarely dropping below 10 degrees Celsius. Your usual winter wear will be too heavy, so opt for medium-weight clothing. Layering is the key here. A few light sweaters or long-sleeve shirts combined with a medium-weight jacket will keep you comfortable. Remember, comfort is key when exploring the wonders of Athens. Dressing appropriately for the climate will allow you to fully immerse yourself in the city's rich history, vibrant markets, and delicious cuisine without the distraction of discomfort. Next up, let's talk about footwear. In a city like Athens, where history has left its mark in the form of ancient pathways, your choice of shoes can make or break your adventure. Picture this. You're wandering through the ruins of the Acropolis, each step echoing tales of the past. But instead of immersing yourself in the stories etched into the stones, your focus is on the throbbing pain in your feet. Not an ideal situation, right? That's why it's pivotal to pack footwear that combines comfort with durability. Shoes with good arch support and cushioning are your best bet for those long walks on uneven grounds. But don't forget about the Mediterranean sun and the inviting beaches. A pair of sturdy sandals will come in handy for those moments when you want to feel the sand between your toes. With the right shoes, you'll be able to conquer any cobblestone streets and ancient steps. Moving on, don't forget your essential documents and safety items. When embarking on your Athenian adventure, it's crucial to ensure you have all the necessary paperwork. This includes your passport, which should have at least 6 months validity beyond your planned departure date. Other vital documents include any visas you may require, your driver's license or other forms of identification, and travel insurance papers. Remember, it's always a good idea to have photocopies of all your documents just in case of emergencies. Now, let's talk about health and safety. A well-stocked first aid kit is a must-have for any traveler. This should include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and any necessary medications. If you have prescription medications, be sure to bring enough to last your entire trip. It's also wise to have a written note from your doctor explaining what the medication is and why you need it, especially if the medication is unusual or contains a controlled substance. Remember, Athens is a city rich in history, but it's also a bustling metropolis. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of the Acropolis or navigating the vibrant streets of Monastiraki, staying hydrated is key. A refillable water bottle is not just an eco-friendly choice, but also a practical one. There are numerous water fountains scattered throughout the city where you can refill your bottle for free. In addition to these essentials, consider packing a few safety items like a whistle, a flashlight, and maybe even a personal alarm. These might seem like overkill, but they can come in handy in unexpected situations. Lastly, keep in mind that safety isn't just about what you pack, it's also about how you act. Always respect local laws and customs. Keep an eye on your belongings and stay aware of your surroundings. With these essentials, you're prepared for a safe and hassle-free journey. Now, let's talk about the gadgets that will make your city exploration easier. A smartphone with data is your best friend when navigating the labyrinthine streets of Athens. With countless navigation apps at your disposal, you can explore ancient ruins and modern marvels alike, all at your own pace. Don't forget a portable charger. You wouldn't want your electronic lifeline to run out of juice in the middle of the day. It's like the modern version of a Greek tragedy. A camera, whether standalone or part of your smartphone, is essential. Capture the grandeur of the Parthenon, the vibrant colors of Monastiraki flea market, or the tantalizing dishes of a local taverna. These images will be your souvenirs, your tangible memories of Athens. And for those market visits, consider a reusable shopping bag. It's practical, environmentally friendly, and perfect for carrying those Greek delicacies or unique finds. With these gadgets in your backpack, Athens is at your fingertips. Finally, let's touch on respecting local customs. As we journey to new places, we are not just spectators but guests in other cultures. In Athens, like anywhere, it's essential to be mindful of local customs and traditions. This not only demonstrates respect, but also enriches your travel experience. Before you set foot in this historic city, take some time to understand Greek culture and etiquette. For instance, Greeks value hospitality, or philoxenia, and are known for their warm and welcoming nature. When you respond with appreciation and politeness, it fosters mutual respect and creates a positive experience for everyone involved. It's also essential to respect sacred and historical sites. Remember, these places are not just tourist attractions, but living symbols of Greece's rich history and culture. So refrain from touching ancient artifacts or monuments and always follow the guidelines set by authorities. Remember, respect goes a long way in making your trip memorable and rewarding. So, that's about it for your Athens packing list. We've covered a lot, haven't we? Let's take a moment to recap, ensuring you're all set for a memorable Athenian adventure. Remember, the key to a seamless travel experience lies in thoughtful and efficient packing. First up, consider the Mediterranean climate. Pack outfits that are light and breathable for warm, sunny days. Bring along a jacket or shawl for cooler evenings. Athens is a city of contrasts, and its weather is no exception. Next, your footwear. The ancient pathways of Athens are uneven and can be a challenge to navigate. Comfortable, sturdy shoes are essential. And of course, don't forget your sun protection. The Mediterranean sun is beautiful but relentless, so a good sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat are must-have items. Your travel documents and safety items are of utmost importance. Keep your passport, visas, and insurance details handy. Pack a first aid kit and any necessary medications. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. As for gadgets, a reliable smartphone with a good camera and navigation apps will serve you well in the urban jungle of Athens. A portable power bank is also a good idea to ensure you're always connected and ready to capture those unforgettable moments. Respect for local customs is key wherever you go. In Athens, modest attire is appreciated in religious sites. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Athens can be hot, and exploring its rich history can be thirsty work. Lastly, immerse yourself in the city's vibrant markets and savor the delicious Greek cuisine. The flavors of Athens are as diverse and captivating as its history. Remember, every journey is a personal one. These tips are a guide, but your packing list should reflect your own needs and preferences. With these packing tips in mind, your Athenian adventure awaits. Safe travels! Alright folks, that's it for our Athens travel prep guide. We hope you found it insightful and useful as you plan your Athenian adventure. If you did, we would appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up. It helps us to know what content you find beneficial and want more of. If you're not part of our travel community yet, hit that subscribe button. We regularly share travel prep guides, tips and tricks, and we'd love to have you join us on our global explorations. We're all about making travel easier and more enjoyable for everyone. So don't miss out on our future content. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay excited about your upcoming adventures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.